Hello and welcome. This is what you get in the box with the brand new Losi Promoto-Mx. In the box you will find the Promoto-Mx with rider, the new Spectrum DX 3PM transmitter with AA batteries included, display or pit stand, racing start stand, dry chain lube, manual and quick start guide with an optional parts slip sheet, awesome optional decals and a number decal sheet, Losi sticker with registration info on the back to register your bike with Losi to receive exclusive emails relating to the Promoto-Mx, a wallet-sized support card, and a QR code support sticker for your toolbox, providing easy and quick support. 2 parts bags are included, the first featuring a battery spacer for using a shorty pack battery, pills for adjusting chain tension, spacers for adjusting the front fork spring, a 25-tooth steering servo adapter, spare servo saver spring, and lean bar adjusters. The second bag contains 2 fork wrenches, 2 stakes for the race stand, and 2 plastic tools to assist with rebuilding the fork and shock. The included DX3PM features a throttle limiter switch, a flywheel control switch, and a steering reverse switch, with knobs on the side to adjust front brake trim, steering sub-trim, front brake travel, and the MS6X rate control. On the bottom side, you will find the bind button and drive mode switch. The Promoto-Mx is available in 3 awesome designs. The green Promoto-Mx Pro Circuit is bundled with a Spectrum 2-cell 5000 mAh 50C smart LiPo battery, charge adapter, and S120 charger. The Promoto-Mx can be purchased without battery and charger in the red FXR Losi trim scheme or the blue Club MX FXR trim scheme, which include riders with jerseys tailored specifically for those models.